My room is a mess, and you guys should know that. Morning, anyways. I'm Addie from Art with Addie, and again, AWAY stands for the A, and AWAY stands for art, and the W stands for with, and the A stands for Addie. It's really simple, honestly. There's not
magical science to it, you know. It's just...
Okay, I need to stop rambling about this. Anyway, you guys know that I'm a clean freak. I love it when things are clean. It makes me feel happy, but I realize that I can't speak for everyone. I understand that sometimes we're messy. And right now, I left to go to an appointment, and I came back and I was like,
whoa, I totally forgot to clean my room.
Like after I played, and it's gonna show. Let me show you what's going on. Let me show you the juice is what's happening. Hey guys. Hi. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the remote for my LED lights right here. Right now, let me just show you. This is my remote. As you can see, based on my color. Wow, that looks so fake. I'm gonna have it focus so it looks a little bit less fake. Wow, that looks so weird. That's really not how it looks. Anyway, let me just switch it back to purple. We're gonna watch the change. That's cool, right? All right, and so then my desk is a little bit messy. As you can see, I've got my candle in the corner, my Beats case, my water bottle, LED lights, morning schedule, then my drawers a little bit clustered. This area, a little bit messy. And then,
uh-oh, this area has so much toys. This is not looking good for me.
up here is all right. Need to get a little bit of organizing done up there. My bed. So as you can see, things are not looking great for my room right now. Yeah, things, okay, I'm very blunt with you guys right now. I'm just gonna be real and say things aren't looking too great.
So, let's just clean up, okay?
So I'm gonna give you, first of all, a few tips for cleaning up and for making it actually go by quickly. So tip number 1, are you ready? Hashtag
get organized.
So if you are not already organized, it's time to get organized with me, my sister or brother. So I have my new desk here. I have my shelves. I have my bookcases over there. I've got those.
I've got my bed, which has that to be organized. And then I've got my shelves over here, my closets over there, my desk drawers are here. I am organized. So my first tip is get you some organization, girl. So, whether that's little boxes that you find, whether that's your cubes, whether that's bins, whether that's the floor, whether that's your shelves, I don't care, girl, or boy, I'm not you. So just find something to become organized, all right? Okay, so come back to me when you're organized. Well, when you got the bins to be organized.
So you are organized. You got your bins. You got your little whatevers, okay? You're good and you're ready to be with me, and we're gonna have
Like so much fun. It's gonna be really cute.
Okay, so the next thing I want to say is schedule, daily schedule. And I know that this isn't easy for a lot of people to do this, but I really suggest that you think about when is the time of day that I can clean up. You know, what am I gonna do each time of day? So for me, that is whenever I play, whenever I get out things to do schoolwork, whenever, which of course isn't right now that school's out, but whenever I'm drawing, whenever I'm painting, whenever I'm getting dressed, I always try to put things away after myself. And I know that this is a basic step, but it
really is helpful to try and just breathe. Get organized.
set 5-minute timers and just say, okay, what's in my room? What can I clean up right now? What can I organize? And then, yeah, come right back to me once you have that tip ready to go. And then, okie dokie. So now you got all your trash out and it's
not in your faces anymore.
is good. Now the next step is to clean up your toys. Yeah. I'm being really awkward right now. So yeah, clean up your toys. And how I like to do that is I just like to put stuff in my bins. I like to set it up. However, I know that for some people, my brother would say,
I don't like to clean up, because cleaning up is like definitely not for me, because I can't find anything.
well, work on finding it, brother or sister, person. Just work on finding it. Just, you are capable of finding a space for something, and I know you are, and if you need help, go ask for it. But honestly, I feel like you guys, you're gonna be okay. All right, so I'm just gonna time lapse myself, picking up my little area with lots of toys. So as you guys just saw, I picked up
My toys?
and so now I'm gonna pick up some stuffed animals, whatever you call them. So yeah, this is really fast time lapse. Okay, all right. So you're feeling organized. You're feeling good. So let me just sit here so I can talk to you. Okay, you're safe. So remember, let's go over the steps. Step 1, get yourself organized. Get your bins, get your hobbies.
Dresser drawers, I don't know, just get yourself organized.
And then step #2 is, you guys remember it, get a schedule. Think, okay, I'm gonna clean for 10 minutes each day. 1 5 minutes in the morning and 1 5 minutes in the evening. You know, do you, boo. That's good. Yeah, so just do whatever works. Don't panic, don't freak. Just chill. And then, also, I forgot one. Now that you got your trash out too, that was number 1. Now clean up your toys. Would you like to see the area that I cleaned up my toys? There it is, guys. Wow.
I'm kind of super impressed with it.
I feel like it's looking awesome. See, look, it's completely cleared. And then I want to show you no stuffed animals there. Shoes are neatly lined up. My desk is clear and clean and organized. The very, very last step is to organize your bed. You know, get your bed clean too. Your bed has been ignored, and now is your chance to show your bed some love. You know, show your bed that you care about it and you're thankful for how it slept with you all these days, years, months. I don't really know how long you've had your bed, because I don't really know who's actually gonna watch this video and who's gonna be like,
Nope, actually, this video's not for me.
sorry, dude. And that's okay if this video is not for you, but I'm not gonna get into that right now. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do my bed. So here we go, and I'm just gonna, my bed's already kind of made. I'm just gonna put it together. Bed is just a teeny bit more organized, as you can see, looking a little bit better. Now, the next step I have for you is to clean out your desk.
Get out any of the junk that's in there, redo it, reorganize
Yeah, so
it.
really thank you guys so much for watching. If you stuck around to the end of this video, I love you all. And if you see my twin sister on you, tell her to come see me, because she's planning on sneaking on my channel sometimes and talking to you guys. So tell my twin not to do it if she comes. I'm serious.
Shh. I'm Maddie's twin sister, Maddie, and I'm from the South. And I have something to tell you. If you watched all the way to the end of this video, give it a like to support her and her channel and say that you made it all this way. Have a great day.